What's good with y'all? Thank y'all for tuning in to another video, man. Down here at Joe Buddy Racing. I see we got a treat today. It ain't about my car, it's about my partner car. So we about to see what we got shaking today. I don't know, man. It's just a pretty day, so we're gonna see what we got going on at Joe Buddy Racing Day. I just went back there and checked on my car. The big rim bill. I gotta come up with a name for it, man. I probably gonna call that car. I got a name. I got a possible name. I'm probably gonna call that car. Called it's a little group. I'm about to start. It's a hard to explain, man. Like I won't say a YouTube group. Of people. Let me get this lighting right. Yeah, right there. Yes, sir. Okay, but I think it's a group, man. I don't want to say a group. It ain't a team or nothing. It's just people I'm gonna be affiliated with, and I already got a name for that. And I want to call my car that too. I think I want to call my car that, man. But they got music going over here at their house, so I'm finna get in the shop before I get a copyright, and we gonna show y'all cars. Y'all saw it in the previous vlog, but we gonna see what we got going on. So stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in there. Alright, see what they talking about in here, man. They in here telling stories, man. Know what they talking about in here. They got going on in here. What's going on in here?
Ain't that going on in here, people?
My boy Tim, the hungry cat. The cat always hungry. Yes, always hungry. But yeah, y'all, this it. This car right here. My boy Marcus, AMG. I told y'all, man, he rap. I shouted you out in another vlog too. It ain't dropped yet though, but yeah, I told y'all he rap. Y'all check him out. Cat. Huh?
I rap too. Don't leave me. I rap.
All right, well, let hear some there.
Yeah, right now I got my hands in. I'm gonna rapping about another hour. About Applebee's on some of the more riblets.
Well, yeah. Look, y'all, I told y'all, man. I'm gonna show y'all. He called it. That's it.
Hey, man, I'm gonna tell you what killed me about the rap game.
What is it?
You say Mark a rapper. Then when I say I'm a rapper, you want me to spit something, you ain't ask Marcus.
Hey, but I already heard here though.
Oh, okay.
See, I heard here. Look, he been talking on me, y'all. I already heard here. I got his whole inventory almost.
Okay, I just make sure. I'm just saying.
Yeah, y'all look. I support my people. I still be bumping his stuff, man. I got about his whole inventory. He be dropping stuff. So y'all check him out too. Y'all make sure you check him out. I put his Instagram on the screen right now, so y'all check him out. But this is ride right here. What you doing to it, Unc?
Trying to put some plugs in it. We put the new 6014 MSD box on it, and it ran. Then when we put the tune in it, it stopped running. So we trying to change the plug so you can find out what's the problem with it.
Okay, so that's what we got going on with it today, y'all. So, like I said, I've been wanting to show y'all this.
But if I get it right though, tire burn off. That's
what we hope to see today. That's what I told y'all. Look, this vlog about AMG Marco car today. So it's it. It's it. What year the car?
86.
It's an 86 SS. Man, re-in, everything, the whole nine. Like y'all can see, y'all love this LS swap. It's not no junkyard LS either. I say that. He had it done. So it ain't no stock by the man, all that type stuff everybody be doing. But yeah, this it. It's a nice car, solid. Let me show y'all. I think y'all seen bits and pieces of it before, but I'm gonna show y'all the whole car. And he gonna get it. You gonna get it painted and all that too, ain't you?
Yeah, I got my interior at the house.
Oh, see, well he already got the interior done. Just gotta be put in. I said the car door closed good. Car solid. And I hope I get to show y'all more than this today. Like I said, cause it's a pretty day outside, and yeah, I ain't see this out here. Look at Tim. Look how Tim riding today. Might well show y'all everything. Look at what Tim on today. This is the day for it. This thing here is clean. Well, I done seen it before. This y'all first time, but this thing is clean. Y'all see that? I think that's 26 he got on there. And man, it surprised me how much this stuff be costing, man. You don't know until you get into it. This stuff cost, man, 26. He told me how much it cost before, but the bad boy is clean. Like I said, I just love car, bike culture, period. But yeah, this 10 right here.
Hey man, what you doing?
Look! I knew he was coming. I knew he was coming. Hey man, hey, what side rim? This is 26, ain't it?
Yeah, that's over 26.
I thought so.
Yeah, I'm the one that owned the Ghost. That white shop bed. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Y'all remember Tim? They remember you. That's what I said. They what he on today. Hey man, how much that rim cost? You told me before.
I paid $6,200 for the whole setup. Get it put on the fender.
God almighty.
This ain't fiberglass. This steel.
$6,200, y'all.
Yep.
Get that.
Then I got a 18-inch brake caliper. Yep, everything.
So it been a lot done to it basically.
Yeah.
And look, the sound system. I can't let y'all hear it cause we get a copyright. But the sound system is crazy, man. Y'all, if you come to the shop, during the summer, come by Joe Buddy Racing or whatever, man. I'm pretty sure you might be able to catch him when they call it. Sound system is something serious, whatever. And look, everything pulling up while I'm down here. Everything. We got Kelboo, old Cutlass, everything pulling up down here today. Turn the ISO down. Look, he out riding. Everybody out riding today. Running good. Y'all see it? Oh, look at it. Running good, man. Like I said, everybody out riding today. It's a good day. Man, what you doing, man?
Cool, man. What about to see, man?
That my boy Kelboo, man. Hey, that's that fam, man. We all been around Joe Buddy Racing a long time. Said he out riding today. Y'all see the Cutlass. Y'all done saw this before on many videos. We done showed y'all this. But man, running good, crispy, sounding good. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, hopefully he pulled this one out today. Pull MC out, and then we're gonna see what we got shaking. But y'all stay tuned. Got going on. Man, look what Unc did, man. Can't even see inside the shop. Everybody had to exit the shop, man. Can't even go in. Look dark in there. You can't see nothing.
I got a question.
Alright, y'all. So y'all just saw that. Whoo, boy, I looked like I was in heaven, boy. Hold on, let me come back in here. I got it was too bright out there. It was too bright. It's still too bright, but we gonna hold on. Let me get it right. Alright, but look. Alright, y'all, so y'all just saw that. Y'all got some burnout smoke. Done smoked the shop out and all that. I know y'all seen a little popping and stuff. Still gotta be some fine tuning. This is a brand new box on the car. Like I said, I ain't want to record. Had a cam sensor problem. It was a cam sensor problem, but he got that straightened out and boom, boom, crunk up. Cause it wasn't fine or whatever at first. Got that straightened out and turned it up. That thing turned some RPMs, boy. That thing would turn some RPMs. It was screaming. Definitely a strong motor. So you gotta fine tune, like I said, fine tune a little bit more in the box, and shit, that thing be ready to go. Now y'all be seeing market tip streets and all of that. And yeah, see back. Well, John Jones still in there. Oh yeah. I gotta tell y'all, DJ called me yesterday. He towed the transmission down at John Jones, and the transmission was actually functional, but the trans brake solenoid was sticking. That's why the car wouldn't go in reverse and the trans brake wasn't engaged. Cause, you know, I got a pro brake in my car, so if the trans brake don't work, then I ain't got no reverse. Cause I got a pro brake in there. But that's what happened. The solenoid was sticking. He got that fixed, and he found out the clutches. He said it was a little bit slippage in the clutches. He ain't like that, so we're going with some even better clutches. DJ said I might pick up a couple of tenths or something, cause hey, every little bit matter, especially with transmission. So I'm pretty sure I probably will. Every time I done made a change, transmission converter, my car picked up and went faster. So when I get that transmission back, it's gonna be go time. That's all I can say. And I should get it back. I should get it back maybe this week. Maybe this week, I'm thinking. So y'all be seeing John Jones back real soon, going down. Gonna be turning it up. Then the box on the way. Like I said, y'all see we add more and more on the box a little at a time. And yeah, man, I think that might be it, man. Y'all done got a lot of action. I don't know if something else happened. Y'all, we're gonna go to that clip if something else happened. But if not, I'll check back in with y'all and I'll holler at y'all and close the vlog out. But stay tuned. Look, what you think? What you think, Mark?
Man, I don't know. I'm excited.
You ready to ride in that thing?
One step closer, boy.
Oh yeah, one step closer, man. So look, like I said, man, Mark will be riding that thing soon. That thing definitely turns on RPM. Hey, look, I had told him the other vlog, you gave me the green light. You told me to test it out if you ain't around though.
Yes, sir.
I told y'all, look, all right, so he told me to test it out if he ain't around. Whatever, cause he be handling his business, he be on the road doing the thing. So, that's it, man. Like I said, we ain't got too much more going on today. I think that might be it. I want to pretty much show y'all his car. Vlog pretty much be about his car today. And y'all see Cabu pulled up, the Cutlass on, out. Everything out today. It's a good day, so I guess I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vlog, man. We're gonna more action-packed stuff coming, so stay tuned. I'm out.